Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Melanie and I do a variety of videos including food hauls, unboxings of shoes, watches, Superdrug hauls, boots hauls, TK Maxx hauls, makeup palette hauls, food subscription boxes such as Degustabox, and today's video, even though it's a little late, is the sourced box for May. I got this on the last week of May when everyone else got theirs first week of May, so I don't know why mine is late. Maybe Sourcebox would like to tell me because I'm not very happy. So I've not opened it. All I've done is lift this part of the lid up, but you'll be able to see in a second that it's not been opened. So inside is the little booklet that tells you what's inside the box, but we don't need to look at that yet. This is very light, but it is popcorn. It's the Great Stuff Company Ingeniously Good Popcorn. Raspberry and vanilla popcorn by the Great Stuff. Sweet with a tangy kick. This popcorn is a must for cinema dates or cosy movie nights at home. I don't like raspberry, but I'll still try this. There's not very much in here, so it's not going to last a long time. The Protein Ball Company Peanut Butter and Jam. I've had some protein balls from the Protein Ball Company before, and these say peanut and jam balls, the Protein Ball Company, a healthy twist on a classic American combo with the Sourcebox. The Sourcebox team have been obsessed with this protein-packed snack. Super Foodio Cacao Orange and Turmeric Sweet Clusters. Cacao, orange and turmeric clusters by Super Foodio. Rich cacao and orange with a golden twist of turmeric. These clusters are a crunchy protein-packed delight. Quite a small packet, but I'm looking forward to trying them. I like how they look. Get Fruity Moist Mixed Berry Bar. Moist Mixed Berry Bar, Get Fruity. Combining real blackberries and cranberries infused with berry juices, whole grain oats and virgin coconut oil. This bar is perfect for on-the-go snacking. Might put this in my bag. I like to take snacks in my bag if I'm going to be out a little while, so I think I'm going to put that in my bag. Real Handful Sea Salt Caramel Flow. Sea Salt Caramel Bar. Real Handful. Smooth caramel and a sprinkle of sea salt make this chewy plant protein bar a decadent taste experience that's absolutely free from refined sugar. Again, this is the sort of thing I'll put in my bag, so I'll probably put this in my bag as well as the last one. Tapped birch water with strawberry and raspberry, limited edition. Raspberry birch water, tapped. This drink is deliciously sweet. Be sure to pop in the fridge before enjoying for the ultimate refresher. It's not even in a can, it's like, it's cardboard. It's very strange that it's not leaked. I've had a big bag of these before in a Degustabox. Indie Bay Sunflower Pretzel Bites. Sunflower Pretzel Bites, Indie Bay. These bites have a rich nutty flavour, making them not just a great source of fibre but a delicious one. Perfect snack size again. Strawberry Vanilla Cacao. Strawberry and vanilla chocolate cacao. Made with just 4 ingredients, this chocolate bar is irresistible, smooth, sweet and creamy. Save for a time when you fancy a treat. I'm not quite into natural or raw chocolate, but this sounds interesting, especially as it's only 4 ingredients, and I like the packaging. The Great British Porridge Company, Goji Berry and Pumpkin Seed. Goji Berry and Pumpkin Seed Porridge, the Great British Porridge Company. This porridge is rich in fibre and protein. Enjoy with your favourite plant milk and top with fruit for a fantastic start to the day. And finally, a tasty tea for everyone. The Tasty Decaf and perfect with dairy free. Dairy-free and decaf tea, PG tips. This duo of teas will see you through from your morning cup at your desk to your last drink of the day curled up in bed. I like that you get a 50p off voucher if you want to get more of them. I think I've tried the decaf one before, but I've never tried the other one. So that's everything in the May edition of Sauce Box. As I said, I've got mine very late and I don't understand why, because it was dispatched with everyone else's. So if Sauce Box, if you're watching, please let me know, because I'm obviously not very happy that I got mine over 2 weeks later than everyone else. I'm looking forward to trying a lot of the snacks. Some of them are not the type of things that I would pick up, but I might be surprised and I might really like them. I will leave a link down below if you want to try out this box. And if you have any questions, also please leave them down below and I'll answer them. And also check out my blog, which is always linked in the description box, because I will be posting about this box on there. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you're alerted every time I upload a video. And I'll be back again very soon with another Sauce Box unboxing. Thank you for watching, everyone.